Welcome back to Happiness Factory Gardens. I'm Aaron, and the topic for this video is the connection between mental health, physical health, and gardening. Stick around for a tease as to the topic of our next video, and for now, let's get into how gardening and health are interdependent. Look no further than gardening. If you're wondering how you can work on your physical health, but be doing something that benefits more than just that. Something more productive than exercise for the sake of exercise, and something that will benefit your mental health as more than just a byproduct of feeling good from working out. Do you get excited to start exercising for a week at a time, a month maybe, but then lose interest, reverting back to your old habits and lifestyle, losing the gains that you've made? Do you wish there was something active that could hold your focus better and seem like less a waste of time, but you really have no interest in playing sports or working out? Something maybe that you could even do in your older age? Well, growing one's own food is as close as anyone can come to sustaining their total health and reaps many rewards other than just the food. It holds attention especially well in the second year and beyond, once you've reaped the benefits and seen and felt what it can do for you. So, pro tip, if you've tried your hand at gardening and failed, but only once or twice, you've yet to see what gardening can truly do for you, how rewarding it really is. So, try again. Gardening is a very physical activity. Repeated bending down and getting back up, carrying loads, moving quickly, rapid motion with excitement about what might be growing well or need attendance. Hopping up early with anticipation about how things are going, getting in tune with nature and the natural cycles of life. And therein lies the first connection between the physical and mental side of gardening. It is a very mentally stimulating activity. Being on a schedule chosen by life itself and not a boss or a manager or even you for the most part, nature and its balance, ebb and flow, are your boss as a gardener. A lot of thought goes into planning and preparation, deciding what to grow, tending to the needs of plants, learning the crop better and better, and deciding how to improve in each successive year. And many mental benefits are had. Being on a schedule, staying active outside, learning as you go, being a part of a community, at least at garden centers or other gardeners if you garden in a community setting, being productive, eating healthier, goal setting and reaching, planning and bringing those plans to fruition. All pros of gardening and effective treatment as maintenance of mental health for a range of mental illnesses, as well as just being good for us as we grow older. Of course, the mental benefits transfer directly into physical ones as our bodies work as whole units and not in separate capacities. All faculties of ourselves work towards building us into a better or worse person depending on how we execute on our opportunities. Mental health, therefore, directly contributes to our willingness to work on our physical health, and vice versa. If we're physically healthy, we're willing to work on our mentalities, but it's all one function. It either all comes together or none of it happens. And to touch on opportunity, everyone has the opportunity to garden. Whether you have a big or small space in your hands or no space at all, co-ops and community gardens offer a great place to help around the garden, and you can get produce in return for your labor. And you can make it as intricate as you want. You can grow a few plants as a small hobby, or you can even make a business out of it. You can grow as many plants as you're comfortable growing and sell the excess at market gardening. But be realistic when setting your goals. Don't start something you know you can't accomplish, or you'll just wind up disappointed. But in that case, persevere into the next seasons and try again. There's always more time to garden and more time to grow your hobby bigger and bigger and bigger, and pass on all of your gained knowledge to the next generation of gardeners. If you enjoyed this video and learned anything or benefited at all, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and hit the notification bell and turn notifications to all so you're aware of all of our future uploads. And As I promised at the beginning of this video, that I would be telling you what our next video is going to be about on July 1st, 2020. Here it is. It's going to be on mindfulness. Becoming more mindful and how gardeners tune into themselves and the matters directly at hand while gardening. See you soon.